Hello everybody, Nihal Judge here. Welcome to my channel, and today I will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A10, and also I will be giving you a quick hands-on review about the Samsung Galaxy A10. So in order to know more about this smartphone, continue watching this video and do not forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you. हेलो एवरीवन, चलो शुरू करते हैं हम Samsung Galaxy A10 की अनबॉक्सिंग। इससे पहले बता देते हैं कि Samsung Galaxy A10 this one was manufactured on May 2019 and MRP इसकी 9600 दी गई है, लेकिन आपको Amazon पे ये 8000 के आसपास भी मिल सकता है। Well, the Samsung Galaxy A10 comes with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, or I guess it is 32 GB of internal storage with 2 GB of RAM, 5 megapixel front camera and 13 megapixel of rear camera. I do not know how it will perform in real life. It's pretty good, pretty decent enough for the price on paper. And here we have the Samsung Galaxy A10, but before that we have this little package here, which I think consists of its warranty cards and all the stuff like instruction manual. Well, let's have a look at it. And this is the regional lock guide. Warranty card is there, warranty valid only in India. Okay, we will take a look at it later. This is the Samsung Galaxy A10. And then we have this one. Yes, I brought it for in blue color. I purchased it in blue color. And then I have normal micro USB port along with the 1 ampere output charger. That is the normal charger that we get along with the micro USB. So there is no USB type C, but then again, considering the price point, it is pretty good. This is 6.2 inches Infinity V display, front with the camera and some teardrop notch, as you can see. And then we have the branding. On the right side there is the power and the volume up and volume down button. Camera is there with the flash, and I think it is a normal flash, not a dual tone LED flash. And we have the speaker, the speakers on the bottom left. And yes, we do have the headphone jack. That is pretty good. Secondary microphone, major primary microphone. Wow, the screen is very good, although it is TFT LCD, but I am pretty satisfied right now. Pixel density at least. Let's see how much time it will take to boot up. Okay, starting Android, we can see that there is, wait, how can you show signal? Let's go to United Kingdom. Okay. Hey everyone, it's time for the quick review about this device, a quick hands-on about the Samsung Galaxy A10. I must say that I'm very satisfied with the Samsung Galaxy A10. I have finished the setup, and also I have installed the Nova launcher and uninstalled the bloatware up to a certain extent. The thing that I really like about this phone, I must say that the only thing that I dislike about this phone is the Android One UI. Otherwise, rest all is very good. The build of this phone is so thin. It is pretty beautiful. It feels very good in hand. The only problem in the build is this plastic. They could have made the plastic better
by reducing its slippery nature.
However, this feels pretty good enough for the price point. The other thing that is very good about this phone is this screen. The screen quality of this phone is very good. My previous phone was this BlackBerry Z30, and it was a very good device. At least the screen of the BlackBerry Z30 was very good. This phone could have lasted me about a year more if there would have not been the app gaps, as BlackBerry Z30 did not work on Android. Instead, it worked only on BlackBerry 10 operating system. So the BlackBerry 10 operating system was shut down in 2017, and hence the app gap kept on increasing ever since. Even WhatsApp is not there on the BlackBerry 10. Talk about security. Obviously, it is not as secure as BlackBerry 10. However, if I'm talking about the smartphone security, then they have given everything except the fingerprint sensor. Yes, the fingerprint sensor is missing here. That is just one complaint. Otherwise, we have that pattern lock, picture lock, passcode. Face recognition is there as well. However, in face recognition, the phone itself says that it won't be as secure as some other ones. After the Nova launcher, this is the Nova launcher. Okay, I have customized the back and all these navigation buttons. This phone comes with this kind of navigation layout, and this is okay, but it consumes some screen space. That is why I switched over
to these row keyboards. The good thing about this phone is also that it provides a night mode, and which is pretty helpful. It also looks good. It looks much better than the white theme, I must say. If I am to talk about camera, then I do not know much about the camera, as I have not yet used the camera. However, if you want to know more about the camera, then subscribe to my channel, as some videos will be coming up where I will be shooting just the pictures and uploading them, and then there will be a comparison video as well when I will be comparing the camera of this phone with my BlackBerry Z30, with Nokia 5, and even Microsoft Lumia 550 of 2015, in order to see whether this how good or how capable its camera is.
Hey everybody, this is the camera sample of the Samsung Galaxy A10. What do you think about how good this how good the camera quality of Samsung Galaxy A10's front camera is? Leave it in the comment section below, and I hope that you liked my video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new here, then hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye.